In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email subscription types in HubSpot. This process is essential for any business looking to tailor its email communications to different audience segments, helping ensure your messages reach the right people with the right content. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account. It's important to log into your own account to access all the features and settings you'll need. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This is a vital resource as it contains all the tools and information necessary to jumpstart your form-building journey. The trial guide is generally found within HubSpot and aims to make setting up and managing your email campaigns much more straightforward. From the homepage, the next step is to click on Settings. You'll find this option typically located in the main navigation bar, usually at the top of your screen. Once in the settings, your focus should turn to Marketing. Clicking on Marketing will reveal various options, and from this menu, you should select Email. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your email marketing strategies, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section. Now, you're ready to create a subscription type tailored to your audience's needs. Look for the option that says Create Subscription Type and click on it. HubSpot provides a seamless user interface that makes this process intuitive, but if you're ever unsure, their on-page instructions are a helpful guide. Following this, you will select the language that best fits the audience you're targeting. Language selection is crucial because it ensures that your communication will be understood clearly by your recipients. Next, you'll be required to enter a subscription name. This name should be descriptive yet concise, giving you a quick understanding of what that particular subscription entails whenever you see it in your list. Once you've entered a suitable name, go ahead and fill in the subscription description as well. The description should provide detailed insights into what kind of content subscribers can expect from this particular subscription. Make sure it's clear and enticing, something that would make a prospective subscriber eager to receive those emails. Finally, once you've double-checked that all the information you've entered is correct and complete, click Create. This action will finalize the setup of your new email subscription type within HubSpot. Remember, you can always revisit these settings later on if you need to make adjustments as your email strategies evolve. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to set up email subscription types in HubSpot. By following these steps, you're well on your way to crafting highly effective email campaigns that can resonate well with your audience. It's all about engaging your clients and prospects with the content they actually want to receive.